What's up everybody, Flashhound here, and for this video I'm going to be going over the functionalities of all these buttons on the Elgato Stream Deck XL. There's a total of 32 buttons, or 28 buttons. Yeah, 28 buttons. This group, which I probably should have moved that to there, but anyway. This group here is for stream related purposes, or OBS purposes. This starts, to start my stream, I make sure it's on start 1, which is the starting scene, no timer scene, and then I hit start, and then I choose from either one of these 5 playlists right here. If I don't want to do Monstercat music, I just go start FTH. FTH is short for Flashing the Hounds. And then I go and post a tweet to twitter.com/theflashyarena. If I want to do a Monstercat playlist, this is for the summer playlist, which I almost started. Of course, thankfully the music is through my headset and y'all can't hear it. If I want to do EDM, I do MCAT2. MCAT1 is the summer playlist. MCAT3 is the gaming playlist, and MCAT4 is the Rocket League playlist. It's just something I decided to throw in just to fill the empty spot that would have been here. These 3 buttons here are StreamYard related. These are chat messages. This is the actual scene. These 4 are shout out buttons for Lily Frost, Zach Gray, also known as Booze Wolf, Freak, and Weekend Wolf. This is for the face rig, which you see on here. This is Spotify. These 8 are Spotify. If I want to raid RockFox at twitch.tv/therevoltingvolt button, I just press and hold this until the raid is started. If I want to put a 2-minute warning, I push this button. If I'm ending my stream, I go end mic BRB. If I want to do an ad break, I can choose between 30 seconds and 3 minutes. Got 30 seconds, a minute and a half, 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes. If I want to clip something, I just hit the clip button. If I want to take a break, I go break, then mic. Of course, if I come back from a break or I'm just starting the stream, I go stream mic, and then I hit background twice to get it to a decent volume. Which I will update in the control panel. Because this actually decreases by the number value I set. And of course, this is just Spotify play and pause whatever playlist I have going at that time. And that's it. Now, let's say I want to do let's just say the battle timer on StreamYard is ready, and I'm in the middle of the game, I just go here, which would have a multi-action, but I just tell the stream that I'm gonna be doing the battle in just a bit, and when I'm free to switch over to streamers, I just hit the streamers button here, and well, I place my spell because streamers has a spells mechanic in the game, and it's all set. So be sure to subscribe by clicking here if I decide to put something here. If not, sub below, and I'll see you in the next one.